Oh wow!
Check it out!
Oh dude!
Oh crap!
Holy cow!
Upstream!
It's right there, in that bush.
Dude, he's gotta like jump out of here.
Here, try to.
Look at it, he's right there.
Dude, he's mad.
I see you! Oh my.
He's faster than you.
Look at him!
Look at him go! Oh, there he is.
He doesn't like. Oh.
That is so cool.
He's so cute. You're killing!
No.
Aww. That's what I just escaped from. What the heck is that run through the bushes?
Holy cow, it's growling. It's right there.
Oh, he's trying to get out.
How did he get caught in there?
Probably just off the edge.
Look at him.
Don't feel bad. Go to the end. Alright? They'll take you home. Good.
Where is he? Oh, he's in that corner.
He's right there.
Aww. I guess it's gone. I was just riding and then I stopped. Look at him.
Hey, on the water or down here?
Way down there.
Look at the raccoon.